Making money with Super Affiliate AI. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something groundbreaking: making money with Super Affiliate AI. Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned, because this might just change the game for you. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Super Affiliate AI? Well, imagine having an intelligent assistant that not only finds the best affiliate products for you but also strategizes the most effective ways to market them, maximizing your profits. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's a reality. This AI is a game changer for affiliate marketing. It scours through thousands of products, identifies the hottest trends, and presents you with the most lucrative opportunities. But wait, there's more. Now, you might be thinking, is this complicated? Absolutely not. Super Affiliate AI is designed for simplicity. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for everyone. Let me walk you through how easy it is to get started. First, sign up and create your account. Next, input your preferences and goals. Then, sit back and let the AI do its magic. It's that simple. So, are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Click the link in the description below to get started with Super Affiliate AI today.